Okay, so in this video we are going to solve this particular problem for the problem of the day on Geeks for Geeks. The name of the problem is sort in specific order. Let's see. So you'll be given an array of positive integer. Have okay, you have to sort them so that the first part of the array contains odd number sorted in descending order, and the rest of the portion contain even number sorted in ascending order. Okay. So that the first part of the array contain odd number sorted in descending order. Okay, so from largest to smallest, all the odd number will be sorted in descending order, and the rest of the portion will be containing all the even numbers sorted in ascending order. So from the smallest to the largest in ascending order, and all the even numbers. Okay, this is pretty much straightforward problem. Do I need to explain anything? No, I don't think so. Let's still see this with an example. Okay. So let's take this example. Let's say the array is something like this: 5, 9, 3, 2, 2, 1. Now what they are asking that take all the odd numbers. So all the odd number means this numbers: 9, 7, 3, 3, and 1. Okay, so I took a wrong example. Let's say there are more number of element. Let's say there is a 4 and there is a 6. So these are the odd example. So this is some example of the odd element. So they will be taken out from this array and they will be arranged is in an ascending order. That's what the problem is saying. Yeah, descending order. So from largest to smallest. So which one is the largest? So 9 is the largest among all. So I'll be taking 9. This will come at the beginning. Then this is the second largest. So 7 will come over here. Then out of this 3 number, 5, 3 and 1, 5 is the next largest element. So 5 will come over here. Then the next element is 3. Then the next element is 1. So these were all the odd number that are arranged in descending order. Then will come the even number. So this 2 is a even number, this 2 and this 4 and this 6 all are even numbers. So out of this 4 we need the smallest one. Why do we need the smallest one? Because the even number will come in ascending order. So ascending order, by what do I mean by ascending order? That means that the all number will be present in sorted form. So from the smallest to the largest. So the smallest number is 2. So 2 will come at the beginning. Then another 2 will be there. So the second one will also come over here. Then a 4 will come. Then a 6 will come. So if we do this, then we can say that okay, this is the array, that is the resultant array, which has all the odd number at the beginning and the even number at the end, and the even number at the ascending order and the odd one at the descending order. So how do we do this? One way to do this is by creating two different arrays, storing all the odd number in a different array and storing all the even number in a separate array, and sorting them one after another, one in the ascending way and one in the descending way, or the reverse sorted way. So you can say that it is sorted in reverse order. So from the largest to the smallest. Then we will put this array at the end of this array. We can do that. So we'll create two array of even and array of odd. So this will be the array odd and this will be the array even. So after these two array are formed, then we'll be sorting these two. This will be sorted in reverse order. And this one will be sorted in. This will be sorted normally. How do we sort from the smallest to the largest? Then what we'll do next? Then we'll take one by one element from this array and we'll append this element in the end of this array. And then we'll return this array over here. Yeah, that is the approach that we are going to follow. And what is going to be the time complexity of this approach? So the total number of element in both the array can at max be n, and we are going to perform sorting. So sorting takes n log n time. So the time complexity would come up to be n log n. Yeah, and since n is 10 to the power 5, so this will turns out to be less than 10 to the power 8. So that's why it will be accepted. Hopefully, let's see what happens. We'll be creating two array. What is going to be the name of those two array? Array even and array odd, right? So vector of int array even and array odd. Now let's see, there are total n number of element in the array. Now we'll go to each of the element and we will check first that is it an even element or is it an odd element. Then we'll put those element in the corresponding array. So first go through all the element. Now check if the array I, like the element at the ith index, if that is even or odd. So if it is even, that means that the modular division will turns out to be 0 as there is no remainder. So we'll put that in the array even. Otherwise, if that is odd, then we'll put that in the odd position. Now we'll be sorting this to array. So we are going to perform reverse sort on the first array. This will be sorted in reverse order and this will be sorted normally. So let's do that. So array even sort array even dot r begin. We can do this reverse sorting in two ways. We can either sort this array first and then reverse it, or we can reverse sort it. So there is this way in C++ that we can use by doing reverse sorting in just a single line. So you need to write r begin and r end. Same, we'll be doing the sorting for the odd one, but in the odd one we are going to do the normal sorting, so no need to put r at the beginning of the function. Array odd and odd over here. Now we are going to put all the element from the odd array to the even array, right? So for all the element from the odd array odd, we are going to put all those elements to array even. R begin. What is the problem? Did you mean R begin? Yeah. R. Okay. There is some typo. Array when. Yeah, I did mean R begin. R begin. Okay, so it is not going to return any array. We just need to assign it to the array. So the new value of the array would be the odd array that we have created. So for 1 3 5 7, okay, we were supposed to put the element from the odd array to even array and finally return the even array, right? So we are returning the odd one. No, that should not be the case. Okay, my output is something like this. Why is it like this? Okay, there is something wrong that I have written. So basically this is the odd array, this is the even array. I need to sort the odd array in the reversed order. That's what I have done, right? No, I did the complete opposite. So yeah, so this should not be even one, it should be the odd one. Yeah, that's what they were doing, and this should be the even one. Yeah, we should sort the even one in the actual way, and we should sort this odd one in the reversed way. Yeah, that's a blunder. So array odd. And all the element will come from the event, and it will be appended to the odd array. So all the even element will come at the odd array, and the resultant array would be the odd one. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, it is passing the example one. Now it is passing all the test cases. So yeah, that was the solution. I will be posting the solution in the comment section. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Bye.